Let's learn how you can save a frame from a video on iPhone. So it doesn't matter which iPhone you have, because we will use a built-in method. What does that mean? That means we will just go to our gallery and just crop the frame from the video from our gallery. So let us go to Photos application, and now you will have to go to the video you want to save. Now play the video and catch exact moment you want to save. For example, I will take this frame. Now click the pause and press on the screen, so you will remove these corners. And now you'll just have to take the screenshot, and when you do, just remove these black bars by cropping the photo. And once you done that, just click on this done button and you're finished. Save to photos, and our frame will be saved to photos. So this tutorial was without any applications, just using our photo application.